Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
Hi, Lima. And hello to all our listeners. It's so great to be with you again today. I'm very happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too, James. How are you doing today? It's a lovely January morning.
I'm doing very well, thanks. I'm a bit busy because it's the beginning of the year, but I'm good. I have my tea here, and I'm ready for our chat.
That's wonderful. I have my coffee right here. I just love January mornings. They feel so fresh and full of new beginnings.
Yes, they really do. But Lima, before we begin our main conversation today, we should say hello to our friends listening at home.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Hello to all of our wonderful listeners. We are so glad you joined us.
Yes, we truly are. And if you're enjoying our podcast, please hit the like button right now. It helps us so much.
It really does. And please make sure to subscribe to the Smart English Official channel. When you subscribe, you never miss our new episodes.
And share this with your friends and family. If they want to practice their English, they can listen to our friendly conversations. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, James. Today we don't have one single topic. We're just having a casual chat about everyday life.
I love that idea. Real, natural English conversation. Just two friends talking about work, studies, hobbies, and funny moments.
Exactly. So tell me, James, how is work going? You mentioned you're busy.
Oh, Lima, work is quite interesting right now. Since it's the start of the year, my manager, Mrs. Peterson, has many new projects for us.
Oh no, not another huge report full of data and charts?
Yes, exactly. How did you guess? She wants a complete yearly strategy. Numbers, timelines, objectives, it's a massive task.
Wow, that sounds a bit dry, James. I'm sorry.
It's okay. But something quite amusing happened at the office just the other day.
Oh, please tell me. I enjoy funny work stories.
Well, you know my desk is often a bit of a mess. I have stacks of paper and many pens everywhere.
Yes, I know you can be a little untidy sometimes.
It's true. Well, this week I decided to become super organized. New year, new tidy desk, right?
That's an excellent goal, James. So, what happened?
I bought a huge new wastebasket. I mean really big. I began throwing out old documents. Goodbye, old meeting notes. Goodbye, outdated flyers. I felt fantastic.
Okay, and then?
Then my coworker, Mike, came over to my desk. He said, "James, have you seen my lunch?"
His lunch? Why was he asking you?
Because his lunch was in a plain paper bag, and I thought it was garbage. I had put Mike's apple and sandwich into the big new wastebasket.
Oh no, James. You didn't really throw away his lunch?
I'm afraid I did. I felt terrible. Mike looked at the wastebasket and then he looked at me. He was really hungry.
What did you do?
I said, "I am so sorry, Mike. I'm on a mission to be organized." Then I had to buy him a new lunch. We went to the sandwich shop across the street.
Well, at least he got a hot, fresh meal out of it. That's hilarious. You were just too enthusiastic about cleaning.
I know. I need to slow down and look more carefully. What about you, Lima? How are your studies going? I remember you started a new course.
Yes, I'm taking a photography class. I want to learn how to take beautiful portraits and pictures of nature.
Wow, that's amazing. Is the class challenging?
The class is really fun, but the instructor is very strict. His name is Mr. Grant. He almost never smiles.
Oh, a strict teacher. That can be tough.
Yes. And this past Tuesday, I had a little accident. We were in the botanical garden practicing taking photos of plants.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. But then I saw a stunning butterfly near a small pond. I wanted to get the perfect shot. I moved very slowly, keeping the butterfly in my camera's viewfinder.
Let me guess, you weren't watching where you were stepping.
Exactly. I stepped right into the pond. Splash. I was standing in the water.
Oh my goodness, Lima. Were you soaked?
I was quite wet, and the butterfly flew away immediately. Mr. Grant, the strict teacher, just stared at me. He didn't say a word, but I'm sure he was trying not to laugh.
Oh, I'm certain he was. Was your camera okay?
Yes, thankfully the camera was fine, but my sneakers were full of water. I had to walk back to the bus stop. Squish, squish.
Oh, squish, squish. That's a funny sound to make. At least you have a great story to tell your classmates now.
Yes, that's true. It's important to be able to laugh at yourself sometimes.
It really is. So, how is your family, Lima? I recall your cousin was visiting recently.
Oh, yes. My cousin Sam, he's such a character. He stayed with me for a few days last week.
That's nice. Did you go out to eat?
We did. We went to a nice Mexican restaurant on Thursday evening. Sam loves tacos.
Me too. Mexican food is delicious.
It is. But Sam has a new interest. He's learning card tricks.
Card tricks like making a card appear or disappear?
Yes. He wanted to show a trick to our server. He took a playing card and said, "Watch closely. Now you see it."
Did the card disappear?
Well, he tried to shuffle it in a fancy way, but the card slipped from his hand and landed right in the server's bowl of salsa.
No. In the salsa?
Yes. The server was very surprised. He looked at the salsa and then he looked at Sam. Sam just smiled and said, "Ta-da! The card chooses spicy salsa."
Sam is very confident. Did the server laugh?
Yes, he was very kind. He brought Sam a new bowl of salsa, but he said politely, "Maybe save the magic for the table, my friend."
That's a fantastic story. Your family always has fun adventures, Lima.
They do. What about your friends, James? Did you meet up with Chloe and Ben last weekend?
Yes, we went to the movies on Sunday. We wanted to watch an action film.
Oh, I like action movies. Was it good?
We're not sure. Why not? Well, we got to the cinema, bought our tickets, got some popcorn and drinks, and went into the theater. It was dark.
Okay.
The movie started. It was very slow. It showed a woman painting a picture of a mountain for what felt like 15 minutes. Nothing exciting happened. She just painted.
That doesn't sound like an action movie.
It wasn't. Ben checked his ticket. We were in the wrong theater. We were watching a quiet, artistic film about nature.
James, how did you end up in the wrong room?
I'm not sure. I think we were chatting and not paying attention to the screen number. Chloe was a little upset because she prefers fast-paced movies.
So, did you go to the action movie? No, by the time we realized, the action movie was half over, so we just went for pizza instead.
Pizza is always a good backup plan.
It is. We still had a great time together.
That's what matters most. Spending quality time with friends is wonderful.
Yes, it is. You know, Lima, with the new year starting, I really want to meet my friends more often. That's an excellent resolution. I want to do the same. Life gets busy, but good friends make everything better.
They really do. Speaking of friends, I have a wedding to attend next month. Remember my old friend Alex?
Oh, yes. Alex from your college days.
Yes, he's getting married in March. It's going to be a large ceremony.
That's lovely. Is it a black tie event?
Yes, it's quite formal. I need to wear a proper suit and tie.
Oh, James, you in a formal suit. You'll look very smart.
Thank you. But there's a small issue. I don't have a suit that fits me well anymore.
Why? Did you get taller?
No, I think I enjoyed too many holiday desserts in December. My old suit is now very tight. It's uncomfortable.
Oh, James, that's the holiday season for you. So much delicious food.
Exactly. So, I visited a clothing store yesterday to find a new suit. The assistant was very helpful.
That's good. Did you pick a nice style?
I chose a classic gray suit. It looked very sharp. I went into the fitting room to try it on.
The fitting room, yes.
I put on the pants and the jacket. I looked in the mirror and thought, "Not bad, James. Not bad at all."
Feeling good, I see.
But then I tried to sit down, and I heard a sound. Rip.
Oh no, James. Did the pants tear? Yes, right at the seam. I was so embarrassed. I had to call the store assistant and say quietly, "I seem to have had a small accident." Oh, James, that's awkward. What did he do?
He was very professional. He said, "It happens more often than you'd think, especially after the holidays." He brought me a larger size.
At least he was nice about it. Did you buy the larger suit?
Yes, I did. Now I'm all set for the wedding, but I'm avoiding all cakes and pies until then.
Good luck with that. I know you have a sweet tooth.
It will be difficult, but I want to feel comfortable in my new suit.
I believe you can do it, James.
Thank you, Lima. What about you? Any interesting plans coming up?
Well, my friend Sophia, who is also getting married soon, asked me to help her choose the decorations.
Oh, that's nice. You have a great eye for design.
I try, but Sophia is feeling the pressure. She wants every detail to be just right. Yesterday, we went to a decoration store.
Did you find some nice items?
We did. We found lovely string lights and lanterns, but Sophia saw a little ladybug on one of the lanterns.
A ladybug?
Yes. And Sophia is extremely scared of bugs, any bugs. She let out a scream, and everyone in the store turned to look.
Oh dear.
She jumped back and accidentally knocked over a display of ribbons. Ribbons went everywhere.
Oh no. Was the store clerk upset?
Not at all. She was smiling. She said, "Don't worry, the ladybug is more scared than you are." But Sophia waited outside after that. I finished looking at decorations by myself.
That was quite an eventful trip. Weddings are joyful, but they can also be stressful, can't they?
They really can. But I'm very excited for her.
Me too. You know, Lima, we've chatted about so many different things today. Work, cleaning mistakes, card tricks, ponds, and weddings. It's been a wonderful talk. I feel really good now. A conversation with a friend is the best start to the week.
I completely agree. I feel more relaxed too. My busy schedule doesn't seem so overwhelming now.
Good. And I hope our listeners feel happy and relaxed as well.
I hope so. We shared a lot of silly moments today.
Yes, it's nice to share these stories. Life isn't always perfect, but it's often funny.
Exactly. Well, James, before we end, let's quickly remember what we talked about.
Sure. We talked about my little mishap in the garden with the pond. Squish, squish.
Yes, and we talked about my desk cleaning. I wanted to be neat, but I threw out my coworker's lunch. I need to check the wastebasket more carefully.
And don't forget your new suit, James. No more desserts for a while.
You're right, no desserts.
And we talked about your cousin Sam and his card trick at the restaurant. The card in the salsa was very amusing.
Yes, and we also talked about your movie mix-up. It's a good idea to double-check the theater number.
Definitely no slow nature films when you're in the mood for action.
And finally, we talked about Sophia and the ladybug. Decorations are pretty, but sometimes they come with tiny visitors.
Yes, that's a lot of wonderful everyday memories. I enjoy our life, Lima. It's never dull.
It never is. And to all our listeners, thank you so much for joining our conversation today.
Yes, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We love having you with us on Smart English Official.
Please remember to leave a comment below. We'd love to know. Did anything funny or interesting happen to you recently?
Yes. Tell us your stories in English. It's fantastic practice. Or tell us about your plans for this new month. We love reading your messages. It makes our day.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with someone who might like it.
Yes, please help our channel grow so we can create more content for you all.
That's right. Well, James, I think it's time to wrap up.
I know. Time really does fly when we're talking.
It does. Have a fantastic week, James.
You too, Lima. And have a wonderful week, everyone. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.